Hello. Good afternoon, all of you. Now audible? Okay. Okay. So I told that from school any notification have sent regarding exam. I told that from your school have sent any notification to you regarding exam. Yes or no? Okay, so don't worry when exam will start or not, or any queries about your exam, school obviously conducted to you. Any news regarding the exam, okay? So don't worry, you just complete your lesson and be prepared, okay? So, which chapters you have in the exam? Any problem regarding these chapters? So today I will start the new one. Find out the arithmetic mean for the group data. So group data means what? The data or observation with respective frequencies. When the data are given with respective frequencies, this type of data are called the group data. Okay. So what is there are the three method. All of you know this one. One is direct method, assumption method and step deviation method. Okay, so today here I will discuss for group data for discrete series. Okay, discrete series group data direct method. So let's see. Yes, Debargo, any problem? Yes, tell me, Debargo. What is your problem? Presentation of data. Definition of geometric and bar diagram. See, Debargo, definition of bar diagram I already given in the previous class. Search it. Okay. And only MCQ type question will come. So remember that one. And definition of geometric and bar diagram I also given. Okay. Okay. So today we find out the AM for group data discrete series use the direct method. So formula of this is x bar. Here x denoted all the observations from the series. So x bar is equal to summation fx divided by summation f, where f is frequency and summation f is total number of frequency. Okay, so write down this one, then I will give one question. Write down fast. And also write down. So question is, find the weekly wages or wage earnings of 19 workers. So here given wages number of workers. So wages 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and respective number of workers. That means this one we denoted by F, frequency 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. So written or not? Write down fast. Yes, I am waiting, Debargo. Note down it fast. Okay. Now I am rubbing. Okay. Then write down x, that means wages denoted by x. Next, frequency, number of workers 10, 20, done, Debargo? Can I rub? Okay. Next. Now our formula is what? X bar is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. So we need f into x. X is given, f is given. So 4 into 10. 40, 100, 90, 80, 250. Then we need summation f. That means sum all these frequencies. 0, 560. Now what we need? So now put in the formula summation. Oh, this one is summation fx, not summation f. This one is summation fx, and here we need some from this. We need summation f. 9, 12, 14, and 5, 19. So put here 560 divided by 90. So find out this one. 29.47. Okay. So write down the answer. Mean wage earnings of 19 workers. Mean wage earning of 19 workers is equal to 29. Here give the rupee symbol. 29.47. Understood all of you? Kirtika? Understood or not? Devargo understood? Very easy. Group data means the observation with its respective frequency. Yes, very good. Devargo understood? Okay. So completed this one or not? Okay, thank you. So I rub this one. Now we find out arithmetic mean for group data, and this is for assume mean. We find out by the assume mean method. Okay. Here we use assume mean method. So formula is what for assume mean method? X bar is equal to A for assume mean summation f small d summation f. D means what? D means all of you know. Tell me students. D means what? D means what? D means deviation. That means we take one assume mean, and this assume mean we subtracted from the observation, and this is called the deviation. Okay. So question is same. Okay. Write down wages, frequencies, then here we take 3 as the assume mean. Okay. Now we find out D, x minus a. Okay. If this one is 3, okay, Okay, from here, not 3, we take from this, not frequency, we take from this as an assuming. So -3, -2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, 30 minus 10. This one is 20. Now find out f into d. -80, -50, 0, 20, 100. Now find out summation fd. Okay, after 100, write down summation fd. Now sum all fd's. Okay, this one is -10. Completed all of you or not? Yes, yes, I'm waiting. Write down. Don't worry. Yes, Debargo, any problem? Okay, now put in the formula these values. A what we assume? 30 plus summation fd means -10 divided by summation f, 19. Put here. Then 30 minus 0.53 is equal to 29.47. Okay, so this one is okay. Very good, Kirtika. Debargo, done. So this is for group data. Next day we learn step division method, and another for the we goes to the this is for the discrete series. Next day we learn for the continuous series, and for we apply all these 3 methods. So for today I will stop here. So student, all of you, thank you and bye.